U.S. Congressman Ed Pastor has fulfilled his promise of putting people before politics. As Arizona's first Mexican-American elected to Congress in 1991, Ed Pastor has advanced important quality-of-life initiatives, including public transportation. Light rail and an expanded bus network have become reality due to his advocacy and ability to create partnerships. Today, 250,000 daily riders experience greater ease connecting to work, school, and vital services on the Valley's transit system. In 2005, Valley Metro received a $587 million federal grant for the 20-mile light rail starter line. His vision of linking communities, employment centers, and generating redevelopment has come to fruition. Success is evident with ridership nearing its 2020 projection and achieving nearly $7 billion in neighboring economic development. His support for public transportation extends beyond his district's borders. With his help, the Central Mesa Light Rail Extension obtained a $75 million grant and is more than halfway constructed. Congressman Pastor, who is retiring from public office this year, has led Arizona to a more prosperous, economically sustainable future with his steadfast support of public transportation.